What's up everybody, Kevin here with Spang's World. Today we're going to do another what's my code. We're going to do the O2 sensor and stuff, so figure out how to do that. It's pretty easy and stuff. Only takes a couple minutes really. But hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, it helps us out. But let's get into the video. First we got to turn the machine on here, or at least the lights here. Get to our got our check engine light on already. Get this mount out of the way. Flip through the codes, or get to the codes. Alright, there's our first code right here. The 05202095 as part of it at the bottom. And then we got this 842, one at the beginning. Those are our two codes right now. Last time we fixed the... what did we fix last time? Oh, last time we fixed the spark plugs and stuff, got rid of that. We got two more codes. One should be the O2 sensor, which I believe is this one. And the other one is for the parking brake. Or not parking brake. The brake pressure switch, I mean. Alright, to find your O2 sensor, it sits back here on the passenger side in the exhaust. Should be all the same in all the models and stuff. It's right here. I already bent these up. Try and clean this up a little bit. Probably hit it with the wire brush before I do it. But it's just back here on the exhaust. Gotta reach up here. Cut this out of the way. Snap your thumbs. Unplug the O2 sensor. Or something. Got a 14mm wrench in here. Pull the sensor out. Alright, we got the new O2 sensor here, the part number 4016021. That'll work on here for at least the turbos. I believe it's the same for the one case. Open it up here. As you can see, the new versus the old here, pretty burnt out and stuff, so the new one should help us with that. Let's put it in, pretty easy to put in. Basically the reverse of what you just did. Put something on there. Alright, we got it tight back in. Let's plug this sucker in. Make sure it snaps. Have to run a new. Alright guys, let's check the code real quick, see if it cleared it or not. So, go over to the dash. Alright, that looks like it cleared our code, so we're good to go on that one. We still got one more, which should just be the brake sensor. keeps it from starting. We'll do that one on the next video. That one will take a little bit more in depth to get to it and stuff. But anyways, if you're getting value out of these videos, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment down below on what you want to see, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Peace.